Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad dressing easy. Forget store-bought options. Crafting your own dressing at home is incredibly simple and tastes so much better. We'll cover a straightforward method that requires minimal effort and common kitchen ingredients. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up a fresh, flavorful dressing that elevates any salad. Let's dive in and get started on making your salads truly shine with homemade goodness. The foundation of many great dressings is a simple vinaigrette. The key ratio to remember is 3 parts oil to 1 part acid. For example, if you use 3 tablespoons of olive oil, you'll want 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic choice for its rich flavor, and for the acid, white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or fresh lemon juice work wonderfully. This basic formula ensures a balanced and delicious base every time. Now let's talk about making your dressing uniquely yours. A small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1/2 teaspoon, is a secret ingredient that helps emulsify the dressing, making it smooth and creamy. Fresh herbs like parsley, chives, or basil add incredible freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices, a pinch of garlic powder, or even a dash of hot sauce. For a touch of sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup can balance the flavors beautifully. Once you've made your delicious dressing, proper storage is key. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Before each use, give it a good shake to re-emulsify any separated ingredients. This ensures every pour is as perfect as the first. Making your own dressing is not only healthier, but also a great way to save money. Speaking of smart financial choices, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.